Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a highly requested video, and that is how I edit my Instagram pictures. Oh my god, people send me requests saying, Lade, please tell us how you edit. Even though I've put it on my Instagram, I've put it on my blog, people are still there asking me, how do you edit? Maybe, just maybe, you will watch this video and learn, because some people just learn with seeing. So I'm doing it now so that everybody learns how to edit their Instagram pictures the way I do. So I use three major apps actually. I use Airbrush, I use Snapseed, and I use VSCO. So without further ado, let's get into it. Ooh. Okay, so I'm going to be putting up my it's so nice doing this. I'm going to be putting up my phone screen here. I had to download, I had to learn how to record my phone screen. Is that serious? So let's get into it. I'm going to be editing. First of all, I'm going to go into my Airbrush app. Airbrush is like the free version of Facetune. So if you're using Android like I am, I'm using a Samsung S6 Edge. Oh my god, look at my phone case. Okay, all right. I'm using a Samsung S6 Edge, an Android phone. So Airbrush is free for Android phones, and I think for iPhones too. So I'm going to go into my Airbrush app and pick this picture. Oh my god, you can see all my pictures. Hope you are still recording. Yes, you are still recording. So I'm going to pick this picture. I took it today, as you can see. So we're going to be learning with this picture, and I'm choosing this particular picture because there are many things in the picture that I want to edit. First of all, I want the background to be white, because my Instagram theme is white background. So I want the background to be white, and then the floor, there's this red, I don't know, red and yellow thing going on. I want it off. I want the grass probably black or white. I know it can only be black. So I'm just going to edit this and then we'll see. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the whiten tool now and then increase the brush size and brush it over the areas that I want to whiten. See what that's doing? It's even whitening the yellow parts, but I see that it's not whitening all the red parts. That's the red floor, but it's whitening the yellow parts, which is all right. We'll fix it, don't worry. By the time we take it to Snapseed, we will fix it. Yeah, I just want to zoom in a little so that you can get all the corners and reduce the brush size if need be, so you can get all the corners of your pictures, because you don't want that very annoying halo effect. If you make a mistake, don't worry, you can just click on the eraser tool and erase where you've mistakenly whitened, but that's not why we are here. We want to whiten those parts. By the way, if you've not subscribed to my channel and you're watching this video, you're doing something wrong. So you have to go subscribe to my channel. Okay? All right. Okay. Yes, we're going to whiten all these parts. I can't fast forward because I want you to see all the process. Like, I don't want anything at all left out. Getting your Instagram to be perfect takes time. If you are not patient, you can't do this. And if your Instagram theme is not white theme, maybe this just isn't the right video for you. This is for white theme Instagram, feed aesthetics. Yeah, aesthetics. Get into those corners, girl. See, look at this part, is very important. You want to get into everywhere. I could have easily left that part out, but I wanted to get into it. very, very important. You don't want that halo effect, that halo thing happening. See it's right there. You don't want that. So get into all the corners of your picture. Okay, we need to be fast so that this video is not long. We don't want it long. We don't want a long video. So to see the areas I just worked on, I just press on the whiten button and then I can see the areas I worked on. I see that it's good, you know. Here is the before and here is the after. Before, after. And then I just click the green button just because I'm extra and I want extra whiteness. I'm going to do this process again. Click on the whiten button again. You don't want to miss any part at all. You don't want to miss nothing. Okay, so let me just look at the areas I just whitened. Lade. Okay, so here is the before. That's the second before and after. I like it like this. I like it. It's very fine. I just don't want this blue, so I'm just very extra. Yeah, I don't want that. I don't want the popping blue, so just brush over that again. And then that's it with whitening. And I also like to go into the smoothing too and smoothing out not my face actually, but other parts of my body, my legs, my hands. I'm going to use the smooth feature in Snapseed, so I don't want to do that here. And I know that airbrush does not have the detail tool that you can use on Facetune, but then there is another tool you can use, and that is the brightening tool. So I'm just going to brush that over like my hair to make it darker. See what I did there? See before? Might not save on my eyes to just make it more, you know, alive. Maybe my brows, my lips, and my dress, because I want it to pop. The reason why I whiten my Instagram photos is because I want my outfit to pop. That's basically why. I'm going to brush that over my shoes. See before, see now, it's very black. That's how the shoe is real life. Very, very black. Maybe my wristwatch. Yeah. So my necklace. Here is the before and after. So in Snapseed, are you recording? Okay, yes. In Snapseed, I'm going to add highlights for that, you know, extra whiteness. See before and after the highlights. I'm going to add a bit of contrast. Maybe put it to around 14. Maybe brightness a little bit, yeah. And just a tad bit saturation, yeah. So this is a before, after. This is just nice for me. Just in case you want to remove the red fell, you just go into your brush, go to saturation, bring it down to a -10, and then brush over the areas that you don't want. But it's not that bad. Or should I just remove it? Let me just remove it. No, let's just leave it like this. It's not that bad, you know. It's actually really not that bad. Let's just leave it. And then I'll go into portrait, and add I keep checking if it's recording, and add the smoothing effects. Automatically goes to 70, but then you can increase or decrease. Ooh, girl, I like that. And then I'm also going to add clarity to my eyes, bring it to around 64 after. Yes, let's add clarity to our eyes. Maybe the smoothing to bring it up a little, because we are going to sharpen this and it will reduce the smoothness of the skin later. Yeah, that's looking good. Then I go into details and add sharpening. You always want to do this. Why? Because moving pictures from app to app reduces quality. So every time you should add sharpening tool. Every time you move from one app to the other, you should add sharpening tool. I'm not going to sharpen it to like, even though this looks nice, but I'm not going to put it at 100. I'm going to leave it at 50, 49, 50. Let's leave it at 49 and reduce the structure a little bit so that it gives that, see, ooh, girl, that's too much though. Maybe reduce sharpness a little. Yes, yeah, this is looking good. And that's all I do on Snapseed. And the last thing I do is to transfer this to VSCO. This is the last step, and this is all I do for all my pictures. Even sometimes I use just 2 apps instead of 3. So I go into VSCO and there's small gossip in this VSCO. So excuse me, I go into VSCO. Yes, I do not have a paid, I actually cancelled my subscription at some point for VSCO, but I still find a way to use the filters without paying. If you want to know how, let's get this video to, I don't know, 1,000, 1,500 likes, and I'll show you how to use VSCO without paying. Anyways, I like to use the G6 filter because I just like the fact that it adds color to my pictures, but I don't leave it at I don't leave it at 12. I always reduce it depending on the picture. Yeah, let's leave it at 5.8, and then I'll usually go into temperature, reduce it to 8.5 so it brings back the whiteness, and then tint, also reduce it to let's leave it at 5 so it brings back the whiteness to the background. Yeah, so before VSCO and after. This is just to give my Instagram feed some sort of synergy. And yeah, I probably add a little bit of sharpening. And then if you want to know how I then export my pictures, let's get this video to, I changed my mind, 2,000 likes because I want to make it difficult. 2,000 likes. So just press that thumbs up button right there, leave your comments and subscribe, and I'll show you how I use VSCO without paying on Android, because I think on iPhone it's free. I don't know, I've never used iPhone, so I don't know. But if you want to learn how to use it free of charge on Android, then hit me up. So basically, let me just share a few tips on how I curate my Instagram. So here is what my Instagram feed looks like. Very nice, bright, white, background, nothing fancy. I've told you the reason why I like to use white background is because I want my outfit to pop. I don't want anything interfering with my outfit or what it is I'm showcasing. So I like this feed like this. And how I create is I don't put 2 outfit pictures together. So it's outfits and a filler, outfits and a filler, selfie and a filler. Do you understand? So fillers are pictures that don't necessarily have me in them. It can be quotes, it can be flat lays, it can be pictures of buildings. Like this one now is picture of Lagos, you know, at CMS. I don't know, flat lays, coats. Do you understand? So I don't put two outfit pictures together, because then I don't know, it just doesn't look nice. You want your feed spaced out and not look too clumsy. And I really can't do another Instagram aesthetics. God, why am I stuttering? I can't do another Instagram aesthetics. I don't know how to curate colors. This is the only thing I'm best at, and I've decided to put my all into creating my Instagram like this. And you guys seem to like it a lot because you ask me a lot. Okay, now you have it. You have all the joys. You have all the German joys on how to edit. If you want perfect white theme, even if you don't want white theme, these tips can still work for you. So yeah, that's about it. If you want a particular video request, let me know in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe. The button is here, or I'll just put it there on the screen. So that'll be all, guys, till I see you in my next one. Bye.